Good morning, dear students. In our previous class, we have studied about chapter light. Light is the form of energy which makes us able to see the object, which produces a sensation of vision. That form of energy is known as light. In light, we have different phenomena like reflection, refraction, and dispersion. We will discuss about these phenomena. And in our previous class, we have discussed about image also. A view of an object is known as image. Images are of two types, real image and virtual image. The image which can form on the screen known as real image, and the image which cannot form on the screen known as virtual image. The image which can form on the screen known as real image, and the image which cannot form on the screen known as virtual image. Real images are always inverted, and virtual images are always erect. So about these points we have discussed. Real images are formed when the light rays intersect each other, and when the light rays do not intersect each other after reflection, then they will form virtual image. If the light rays intersect each other after reflection, then they will form real image. So a view of an object is known as image. We have two types of image, real and virtual. The image which can form on the screen known as real image, the image which cannot form on the screen known as virtual image. Real images are always inverted, and virtual images are always erect. Real images are formed when two light rays intersect each other after reflection. Then real image will form. If two light rays do not intersect each other after reflection, then virtual image will form. So we have discussed about these points, and we have discussed about reflection also. Now we will continue with the part of reflection. Reflection. The bouncing back of light is known as reflection. Reflection mainly takes place through mirror. With the help of mirror, we will show how reflection will take place. And we have studied regular reflection, diffuse reflection. We have discussed the laws of reflection. First law is angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. First law is angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. And second law, incident ray, normal and reflected ray all are lies in same plane. We have discussed about these points. Now we will discuss how the image will form by a plane mirror. So for that, first we will draw a diagram. After a diagram, I will explain that how image is formed. So suppose this is a mirror. These small lines show the painted area. Here we have an object. We have an object OA. From this object, the light rays will come. First they will fall normally, and if ray falls normally, then angle of incidence is 0, then angle of reflection will be 0. So it will get reflected back in the same direction, and an imaginary line will pass at this point. Second ray suppose falls here. Here it will form the angle of incidence. This is the angle of reflection. So these are never intersect each other because the rays are going away from each other. So they will never intersect each other. So what we will do, we will extend this ray in backward direction. At this point they will intersect. So this is the object, and the image of object is formed here. In this way, the image will form by a plane mirror. Now we will see the characteristics of image formed by plane mirror. We have 5 characteristics of image formed by plane mirror. The image is virtual. Real rays do not intersect each other, so the image will be virtual. Second, the image is erect, virtual images are always erect, so image is erect. Third point, the image is of same size. जितने साइज का ऑब्जेक्ट है, सपोज अगर मेरे को इस पेन की इमेज देखनी है तो जितना इस पेन का साइज है इतनी ही इसकी इमेज हमें मिरर में दिखाई देगी. तो इमेज विल बी ऑफ सेम साइज. Fourth, the image will form at the same distance at which object is placed. If the object is 5 meter away from the mirror, then image will also be at 5 meter from the mirror. So at the same distance, from mirror. Next characteristic of the image is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means the image is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means the interchange of left and right with the object and image. The left of the object will appear as right of image and right of object appear as left of image. Due to this reason, the ambulance is written in opposite way at ambulance. So when we see the image in mirror, when we see the image of ambulance in mirror, the word ambulance is clearly visible to us. Due to lateral inversion, the ambulance is written on ambulance in a opposite way. So these are the characteristics which are formed by. These are the characteristics of image formed by plane mirror. After this, we will discuss about the mirror. About mirror, we will discuss mirror. A smooth polished surface is known as mirror. Mirror of two type, plane mirror and spherical mirror. Plane mirror or straight mirror is known as plane mirror. About the characteristic of plane mirror we have discussed. Spherical mirror are of two types, concave mirror and convex mirror. Now I will tell the characteristic or nature of the image formed by these mirrors. We have discussed about plane, it will form virtual erect, same size image. Concave mirror form both type of image, the real as well as virtual. It can form same size image, it can form small size image, it can form larger size image. When the object is close to the mirror, concave mirror, in that case it will form virtual, erect and enlarged image. Enlarged or bigger size image. This is the only case in mirror where virtual, erect and enlarged image will form. When the object is close to the concave mirror. If the object is away from the mirror, then it will form real, inverted and small size image. If the object is close, then it will form virtual, erect and enlarged image. Convex mirror always form virtual, erect and small size image. Convex mirror always form virtual, erect and small size image. Plane mirror always form virtual, erect and same size image. Convex mirror always form virtual, erect and small size. Concave mirror can form real and virtual, both type of image. This is the mirror which can form real and as well as virtual image. When it will form virtual image, it will be erect and enlarged. बड़ी होगी ये object से. In other cases, it can form real image and image may be same size, small size or bigger size. So these are the nature of the image formed by the mirrors. Now I will tell the uses of mirror. This mirror, plane mirror is used to make showcase for jewelry. When you visit a jeweler shop, you can easily see the showcase which are made for jewelry. Those showcases are made up of plane mirror. Plane mirror is used to make a toy in which three plane mirrors are arranged at angle of 60 degree. And kaleidoscope is a toy which is used to see the different patterns. The architecture used this device to get the ideas related to new pattern the things which are present outside the water. So we take out this part of periscope outside. Here we use a plane mirror. Here is second plane mirror. So the things which are present here, the image of those things formed in the first mirror, due to the reflection the image will form in second mirror, and we can see that from here. So plane mirror is used in periscope also, kaleidoscope. Plane mirror is used to make showcase for jewelry. Now we will discuss about the uses of concave mirror. Concave mirror is used by the dentist. Dentists use a mirror to see the cavity in our teeth. That mirror is concave mirror. Concave mirror is used as a saving mirror because this is the only mirror which forms bigger size image. To save ourselves, we require a bigger size image so we can easily save ourselves. So concave mirror is also used as a saving mirror. In barber shop we are using plane mirror. जो हम सेल्फ यूज करते हैं सेविंग मिरर वो है concave mirror. It is used by dentists also. Concave mirror is used in solar cooker because it converts the light rays. So it is used in solar cooker also. Now we will discuss about uses of convex mirror. Convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles. If you see the side mirror in vehicles, that is convex mirror. Why convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror? Because convex mirror always form virtual erect. हमेशा सीधी इमेज बनती है इसमें. और कैसी बनती है? Small size. So if so many vehicles are coming from back side, those are visible in the mirror. If we use plane mirror, then it will form same size image. So if a truck is at our back, then nothing is visible other than that truck. Same in concave, it forms same and bigger size image and inverted also. So इसमें तो हमें उल्टा दिखेगा और bigger size हुआ तो बाकी कुछ दिखेगा ही नहीं. The vehicle which is just at our back, that is only visible. And in convex it form virtual erect. Always it form virtual erect and small size image. So the vehicles which are present at our back side, those are easily visible to us. And if you see a instruction on the mirror, object in the mirror are closer than they appear. कि जितनी दूर मिरर में हमें दिख रहा है ऑब्जेक्ट, एक्चुअल में उससे कम दूरी, ज्यादा दूरी पे होता है. ऑब्जेक्ट इन द मिरर आर क्लोजर, कि ऑब्जेक्ट में वो क्लोज दिखते हैं बट एक्चुअल में वो थोड़ा दूर होते हैं. So these are the uses of plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. Now we will discuss about refraction. I told you refraction, the bending of light when it goes from one medium to another medium is known as refraction. Here I will tell you how refraction takes place and why the refraction takes place. So for that we have a diagram. Suppose this is a glass slab. Glass slab. If we fall a ray on it, in our last class we have studied that light rays travel in a straight path and this property is known as rectilinear propagation. So when we fall this on the glass slab, according to the previous property, it will come in this direction. But this thing is not happen. What happens when it comes from here to here? It will bend. जैसे मुड़ जाती है. Why this happen and in which direction it will bend? I told you this thing. Here is we have air and at bottom also we have air. This is rare medium. And this one is denser medium. A medium which have less density or low density, that is known as a rare medium, and a medium which have high density, that is known as denser medium. We all know that in glass the particles are closely packed, so glass have more density as compared to air. Density क्या होती है? The number of particles in a unit area is known as density. So those with the medium which have low density, that is known as a rare medium, and the medium which have high density, that is known as denser medium. So हमारे पास एयर हो गया रेयर मीडियम, ग्लास हो गया डेंसर मीडियम. तो देखो क्वेश्चन ये कि लाइट रे इस साइड बेंड हुई, इस साइड क्यों नहीं हुई? So when we draw a normal at this point, normal क्या होता है हमारे पास? A line which is perpendicular to the surface is known as normal. जो परपेंडिकुलर होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं नॉर्मल. द एंगल बिटवीन इंसिडेंट रे एंड नॉर्मल इज नोन एज एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. ये हो गया हमारे पास इंसिडेंट रे, ये हो गई रिफ्रैक्टेड रे. रिफ्लेक्शन होता है रिफ्लेक्टेड रे और रिफ्रैक्शन होता है हमारे पास रिफ्रैक्टेड रे. ये हो गई हमारे पास रिफ्रैक्टेड रे. अब ये इस साइड में तो ये वाला जो एंगल बिटवीन रिफ्रैक्टेड रे एंड नॉर्मल इज नोन एज एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन. द एंगल बिटवीन रिफ्रैक्टेड रे एंड नॉर्मल इज नोन एज एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन. जो कि एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस, जो कि एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई दिस रे बेंड इन दिस डायरेक्शन, इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. एक्चुअल में इसको आना यहाँ चाहिए, ये इधर आ रही है, नीचे की साइड बेंड हुई, तो ये नीचे की साइड बेंड क्यों हुई? So when the light goes from rare to denser medium, when the light ray goes from rare to denser, ये rare medium है denser, तो rare से denser medium में जाएगी, then it will bend towards the normal. ये है हमारा normal, ये वाला normal. So when light goes from rare to denser, it will bend towards the normal. ये था, इससे normal की साइड ये bend हो गई. When the light goes from rare to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal. Why this happens? Due to the change in the speed of light. In air we have speed 3 to 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and in glass we have 2.25 to 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So speed reduces due to the change in the speed of light. The light rays bend. और bend किस साइड होगी? When it comes from rare to denser medium, they will bend towards the normal. Again, at this point, this will happen when we draw a normal. This will be the angle R. अब देखो इसको यहाँ आना चाहिए, but it will bend away from the normal. ये वापस यहाँ से bend होगी और ये ऐसे आएगी. In this case, the light will bend away from the normal. So when the light goes from denser to rare medium, when the light goes from denser to rare medium, it will bend away from the normal. ये normal है, इससे दूर जाएगी. And this is the angle of emergence. ये होती है इंसिडेंट रे, ये होता है रिफ्रैक्टेड रे, और ये होती है हमारे पास इमर्जेंट रे. The angle between incident ray and normal, angle of incidence. The angle between normal and refracted ray, angle of refraction. The angle between emergent ray and normal, angle of emergence. Angle of incidence and angle of emergence both are always equal to each other. ये दोनों हमेशा एक दूसरे के इक्वल रहेंगे. We will see this thing in practical, and these both are greater than angle of refraction. This angle is R, this one is also R. Why this happens? Because these both are alternate angle. In maths you have studied about alternate angle. Alternate angles are equal to each other. एक दूसरे के equal होते हैं alternate angle. So these two angles are equal to each other because both are alternate angles. Angle of incidence is always equal to angle of emergence, and these both are greater than angle of refraction. This is the phenomenon of refraction. About refraction, we have, I told you example, when we put a pencil in water, it seems to be bent. When you take out, it will be straight. तो मुड़ी हुई तो नहीं होती, बट हमें अपीयर होती है, दिखी हुई मुड़ी हुई दिखती है. वो होता क्यों है? Due to the refraction. Same, when we put a coin in a glass of water, when we see it from side, it seems to be a little bit razor, or it seems to be at some height. from bottom, that is also due to the refraction. The sun appeared 2 minutes earlier before sunrise, that is also due to the refraction of light. The sun is visible to us after 2 minutes of sunset, that is also due to the refraction of light. The stars appear higher than their original position, that is also due to the refraction of light. So this is the phenomenon of refraction. When the light goes from rare to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal. When the light goes from denser to rare medium, it will bend away from the normal. Angle of incidence is always equal to angle of emergence, and both are greater than angle of refraction. And this is known as lateral displacement. These incident ray and emergent ray will parallel to each other. ये एक दूसरे के पैरेलल रहेंगे. ये जो डिस्टेंस होता है इसको बोलते हैं हम लेटरल displacement. The distance between emergent ray and incident ray is known as lateral displacement. This is the diagram of refraction, which is showing us refraction. Now next we will see dispersion. So about dispersion we will discuss now. Dispersion, about dispersion I told you, the splitting of white light into 7 color is known as dispersion. White light is the composed of 7 colors. White light is made up of 7 colors. When the white light passes through a prism, it will split into 7 colors. In rainy season, the rainbow appear in the sky, that is also due to the dispersion. Now why this happens and how this happens, we will see that thing. This is a prism, angle of prism, when a ray falls on it, split. When a ray falls on it, this is incident ray. From rare to denser, the light is going from rare to denser. Air से glass में जा रही है, so it will bend. ये bend होगी. And prism में जा रही है, it will split into 7 colors. It will split into 7 colors. Again when it comes from prism से जब बाहर आएगी डेंसर से रेयर मीडियम में, अगेन ये हमारे पास स्क्रीन, it will bend and these 7 colors will be visible on screen. We can see these 7 colors on screen. These light rays bend at this point also and at this point also. Why this light rays bend? Due to the change in the speed of light. Why it is split into 7 colors? Because these 7 colors have different wavelength and different color travel with a different speed. सारे कलर अलग अलग स्पीड से ट्रेवल करते हैं, तो they bend according to their speed and series will be pure. Violet at bottom and red at top. सबसे टॉप पे होता है हमारे पास red, then orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, then indigo, and then violet. This pure is the series in which we will get the colors. Sorry. Red color band least. सबसे कम कौन सा कलर मुड़ रहा है? Red. क्यों मुड़ रहा है? Because the red color has maximum wavelength. It travel with a high speed, so it will bend least. If we are running fast and someone said that stop, so it or turn, it will take some time, take some space to turn. वो कम मुड़ पाते हैं हम, अगर स्पीडली हम दौड़ रहे हैं और कोई बोले टर्न करो, then suddenly we cannot turn. It takes some time and it requires a space to turn. हम हल्का सा ही टर्न कर सकते हैं स्पीड में. But if we are moving slowly and someone said turn, the same time we can turn ourselves. Same thing happen here. Red color travel fastest, so it bend least. Violet color travels slowest, so it bend most. Rainbow is the example of dispersion. You all have seen rainbow, and rainbow is the example of dispersion. Same spectrum, a band of 7 colors obtained on the screen when white light split into 7 colors. When we pass white light through a prism known as spectrum. Spectrum क्या होता है? Combination of 7 color, और a band of 7 color which is formed on the screen. Screen पे बनेगा भाई 7 color अगर हम देख लें, which will formed on the screen when white light split into 7 color after passing through a prism. The spectrum will form. About rainbow you all know, a band of 7 color in the sky which is formed just after rain. Rainbow always form opposite to the sun. Rainbow हमेशा sun से opposite डायरेक्शन में फॉर्म होता है. इस डायरेक्शन से अगर लाइट आ रही है तो इधर बन रहा है, 7 कलर इधर ऑब्टेन हो रहे हैं. उससे अगर सन इस डायरेक्शन में होगा तो रेनबो इधर बनेगा. If the sun is in east, then rainbow will be in west. If the sun is in west, then rainbow will be in east. The rainbow is always opposite to the sun. ये तो क्या हमारे पास dispersion. After that we have one more term, recombination of light. Recombination of light क्या होता है? ये आ गया हमारे पास रेड कलर, ये violet. Same here we have red, this one is violet. When we put an inverted prism here, inverted means उल्टा. When we put an inverted prism here, these 7 colors white light. स्टार्टिंग में भी हमारे पास क्या था? White light. So when we use the prism to split the light into 7 colors, after that when we use the inverted prism in front of the 7 colors, then these 7 colors will combine and they will form white light. This is known as recombination of light. रिकॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ लाइट में कुछ नहीं होता है, एक प्रिज्म से स्प्लिट होती है 7 कलर में, दूसरा प्रिज्म को वापस कंबाइन कर देता है और क्या बना देता है? व्हाइट लाइट. सो दीज आर द फिनोमेनन ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, रिफ्रैक्शन एंड डिस्पर्शन. यू हैव टू सी दीज डायग्राम्स केयरफुली and draw these diagrams and practice about these. Okay, thank you.